Eddy currents or Foucault current. Eddy currents are the currents induced in the bulk pieces. Okay, so eddy currents are the currents induces in the bulk pieces of the conductor. Okay, so what are eddy currents? Eddy currents are the current induced in the bulk pieces of the conductor when amount of magnetic flux linked with it changes. Okay, linked with it changes. We have already studied in Lenz's law that the current is always induced whenever the magnetic flux linked with it changes. Either its area changes or its magnetic field magnitude is changing. So in this case also we are talking about the same amount of current, same type of current which is being produced when a magnetic flux linked with it changes, but the fact is it is induced in the bulk pieces of the conductor, right? So when bulk pieces of conductor means, here we are talking about any, suppose disc, we are not here talking about any rod, we are talking about the disc or any metallic plate or any bulk pieces, large piece of the conductor. So in that case, whatever the current is induced, that current is known as eddy currents, and its direction is also given by Lenz's law or Fleming's right hand rule, just as we have discussed in our Lenz's law. What was that? That current is always induced in a direction which opposes its cause. Means, suppose if the current is induced, flux is increasing, in that case it will tend to decrease the amount of flux, and if flux is increasing, it will tend to decrease the amount of flux, right? So accordingly the current induced is given by minus d phi by dt. Here negative sign indicates that current is always induced in a direction opposite to the direction of opposite to its causes. Now let us discuss about its experimental verification. For example, we are having this metallic conductor, okay, and we wrapped a wire over it to make it just like a solenoid, right? We connected it with a cell and a key, right? Here key, okay, and we keep here a metallic disc over this rod. Now when we switch on the key, in that case the current is induced in it. Current increases, magnetic flux increases, so what will happen? So in that case the current will induce in the disc. Now for example, suppose on increasing the current, the disc at this edge, this conductor is having north polarity at this point. So automatically the disc lower end means this one end, if we are having this disc, the lower palm height side, that will induce a negative, that is north polarity. So north and north will repel and this disc will fly off and then comes down due to the gravity effect. So again we just review this, that current is being induced in a direction which opposes its cause. So if it is here north polarity, the north polarity, it means anti-clockwise direction of current is produced in this disc, and due to which it will fly off. Second case we can have, this second case is, suppose we are having here north and south magnetic field, okay, in this direction, and we hang a metallic frame, not metallic frame, metallic piece, okay, hang it like this, suppose hang it like this, okay, like this fine. So you can see, suppose initially when it is not moved, the magnetic field number lines are passing through it, which are maximum. Means if I keep this plane like this, so magnetic field lines are maximum. Now if I move it means if I change its position, in that case, if suppose I tilted it, in that case the number of magnetic field lines will reduces, and if I tilt it like this, number of field lines will pass, 2 will pass out and 2 will pass through this, and similarly when I move it like this, all the magnetic field lines will passes over this surface, and so on. So it means when we changes the position, we tilt this metallic frame, in this case we are changing the area of the plate which is linked with the magnetic field. So current will induced, and that current induced is known as eddy current, and that will tend to decrease oppose the its stage. For example, suppose when we moving its position, suppose we are moving its position like this, flux is decreasing, so current will induce and tend to increase this flux and will take it to back its to mean position. So this is how it works. But if we hang the plate with the slots like this, suppose इस तरह से like this in a north and south pole. So in this case we have reduced the area. Okay, one fact is we have reduced the area. We have reduced this area. Okay, so in that case we observe that when we made to oscillate this plate with metallic plates with slots, in that case the damping effect is slow. Means suppose in the first case the coil is like this, and as we move it immediately comes to its normal position, but in this case it will take certain time to take its own position. Okay, so why this is so? In this case this area has been reduced. Okay, so area has been reduced. So in that case जो स्लॉट्स हमने कट की हैं उसमें करंट की अमाउंट डिक्रीज हो जाएगी, एंड करंट की अमाउंट डिक्रीज होना मतलब इन दैट केस जो वो डैम्पिंग इफेक्ट होगा दैट विल रिड्यूस. सो इन दिस केस वी कैन से इफ वी want to reduce the eddy currents, the one of the method is we cut the metallic plates in the slots. हमने उसको slots में cut कर दिया, हमने slots में cut किया, उसका area reduce हुआ, in that case current induced is lesser, so damping effect is reduced. So these are some of the facts related to the eddy currents.